Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Yes, the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, June the 15th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars, well, it seems to be a 4 stars. Then we have a binary and a tectonic with 4 stars. I think this one is really a 4 stars because it has only 6 printed digits, so I'm very impressed. Yes, and this will be number 4706. All right, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Always a 1. Do we have dual boxes? I see here one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 3. I do not know in which order. And when you see a triple box, remember, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Here also a triple box. I cannot fill those numbers, so the inside box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Here also a triple box. Cannot fill the numbers, but the inside box cannot be 4 or a 5, or could be a 4 or a 5. 3 triple boxes, quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Let me scan. Here we have a quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember the inside box, when you see a quadra box in an L shape, then the inside box is always a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Do we have more quadra boxes? Nope. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me draw this shape. When you see this shape, here, when you see this shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 4 or a 5. Do we have more? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 3. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape upside down here. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one of that shape. Then the final shape, how about the Z or the S construction? This is the S. If you flip this figure, rotate it, it's a Z. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. All right. And those are the figures or shapes, constructions or structures that you need to recognize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Yeah, we have only 5 out of 6 because maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 of them. And why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This is 4 or a 5. Okay. So this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes in this triple box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. Alright. Well. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 1, 4, 5, 2 or 3. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 4, can be a 5, but also can be a 2 because this box is connected with that box. And in this area, we already have a 2 there. So this box should be a 3. So this box is connected with that box should be also 3. Also connected with this box should be also a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 1. Let me mark those 2 and 1, 2 and 1. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 3, 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. Can be a 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. So 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Alright. Then 1, 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Alright. Then. Double 4, double 1. Let me think. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, but also can be a 5. It's in the same area, the 5. Yeah, definitely a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Connected with this box should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Let me think. Well, 4 or 3. 4 or a 3. This box can be a 3. We have a double 3. Oh, of course, 4 and 5. So 1 number left. The 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah, thinking. 3. I'm 3. Yeah. 1, 3. Well. 1, 2, 3. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 4 or 5. So we have a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. The other 2 numbers, the other pair should be 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. No 3 there, no 3 there. 3, 3, no 4. 1, 4, 3. 2 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Well. Hard one. The 2. Yeah, 2 or 1. Can it be a 2? 2, 1, 3 or 4. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 5. So 3 or 4 is connected with that box, 3 or 4. Okay. So this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Complicated. 3. This box can be a 1, can be 5, can be 4. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3 are left. The 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. But this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. That box can be a 2. We have a 2 there. So this, I think this box should be a 2. Yeah. Because those two boxes can be a 2. This is reserved for the 3 and the 4. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. I've marked those two boxes with a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box should be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. One box left in this. No. The 3 and the 4 are left. 3 and the 4. Okay. So this box can be a 1, can be 3 and a 4. In this quadra box, so 1 digit left should be the 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. No. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. So this box should be a 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 1 or 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I've marked this box with 4 or 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 and a 3. So that box, 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 5. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Yeah, this box can be a 4. We have a double 4. Oh, now we have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. No 3. 3. Okay. I'm close. This box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. 1, 2, 4. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can it be a 4 because we have a double 4 there? And can it be a 5? Definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 3. So this box can be 3 anymore. We have a 3 there. So that box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 2. Let me mark those. 2 and the 4. 1 and the 3. 2 and the 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Almost finished, almost finished. Let me think. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box should be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box can be a 3. Those two boxes can be 3. This box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Those two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Although it has 6 printed digits, so I'm well impressed with this Tectonic. But I've solved this in 70 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow, new day, new puzzles on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.